saves you so much time. It took a little bit of brain sweat, but it saves me so much time in the assembly. Turn on the back of them, so they actually tighten up really well. Okay, so here's what I was struggling with. All of this is so robust, and then you have this tiny, itty-bitty little cotter pin. Read the instructions carefully. I put the bracket on upside down, so I have the additional unistrut attached. Okay, progress. It's not centered on the array. I was able to get the solar panel on here. I kind of had to rig it a little bit, but bolt on the wrench, which makes it easier to get it in place. So we have our battery box. Got our battery set up in there. I'm gonna close that up, and we got our wires.